Stop rebuilding the same calculations everywhere. Global variables lets you define values once and reuse them everywhere. Create variables for totals, balances, counts, progress, or any gravity math formula. Then nest variables inside other variables, and nest those again. Infinite depth. Clean, readable, scalable logic. But it doesn't stop at math. Global variables work with any shortcode. Gravity math, GV logic, gravity ops search, custom shortcodes, anything that outputs dynamic data. Display your variables anywhere shortcodes work. Pages, views, dashboards, reports, live metrics. Update a variable once and every dependent value updates automatically. One source of truth, no duplication, no brittle formulas. If your site runs on data, this becomes the connective tissue. Calculate once, compose infinitely, display everywhere. Global variables.